This is Rani Mukherjee and you're watching me on Bollywood Hungama.
I'm Gopi Putran.
And this is Vishal Naresh Preeti Jetwa.
We have this, the team of Mardani 2, a very important film at a very opportune time, and many are saying that it is arguably the best work of Rani Mukherjee. Pleasure having you guys, Gopi Putran, Vishal and Rani on Bollywood Hungama. How do you feel when people say that maybe it's your best work so far?
I feel happy.
And you've had an illustrious career and many good performances, great performances.
Yeah. So I'm sure that they have seen something in my work that has made them say that. So I absolutely welcome that with a lot of humility, gratitude and love.
When you were writing this film, because I think the writing is the hallmark of the film, as I was telling you off camera, it's the balancing part, the way you've done, I think is simply wonderful. How did you approach writing the screenplay of the film?
It was very crucial for me not to enter any territory which will make the content cheap, sensationalize it just for the sake of it, attract attention to the wrong parts of it. For me, जो मुद्दा है film का, जो message that we wanted to give, that was the most sacred one. And while writing it also, it was important that all the scenes and all the characters stay within that boundary of keeping that fine balance. So I hope I've managed to achieve it. Because it's so easy to just, get tempted and then the entire point gets derailed. You're focusing on something else and the main message gets lost.
So you're earning a huge response for your performance.
Yeah.
Apparently you said in an interview that when you looked in the mirror yourself and you were a bit scared yourself when you saw what you saw.
No, I used to miss Vishal Jetwa for 1 year. मैं अपने कैरेक्टर में इतना घुस चुका था कि मैं सच में विशाल को मिस करता था. अपने कपड़ों से लेकर, अपने लैंग्वेज से लेकर, अपने हेयर स्टाइल से लेकर सारी चीज़ें 1 साल के लिए बदल गई थी और उस चीज़ का कहीं ना कहीं प्रेशर था. और पहले ये मुश्किल था कि मैं कैरेक्टर में कैसे आऊँ, फिर ये मुश्किल हो गया कि वहाँ से बाहर कैसे आऊँ. अभी फाइनली सारी चीज़ें ठीक है, बट यस, और लोगों का रिस्पॉन्स देख के तो ऑब्वियसली बहुत खुश हो रहा हूँ. लोग मुझे उन एक्टर्स के साथ मेरा नाम जोड़ रहे हैं जिन्होंने लाइफ मतलब जो लेजेंड्स हैं, और ऑब्वियसली मैं बहुत खुश होता हूँ इस बात से, बट मैं अपने आप को इतना बड़ा मानता नहीं हूँ क्योंकि वो जो लेजेंडरी एक्टर्स है उनसे मेरा कंपैरिजन में खुशी होती है, बट मैं उस चीज़ को एक्सेप्ट नहीं कर सकता. बट बहुत बहुत खुश हूँ मैं फिलहाल.
What are those names?
आशुतोष राणा जी का नाम मेरे साथ जुड़ा, नवाजुद्दीन सिद्दीकी सर, और एक न्यूज़पेपर में आया था जोकर. मैंने अब तक सुना था, मैंने फिल्म नहीं देखी अब तक, बट मैंने हमेशा सुना था कि बेस्ट विलन उन्होंने बहुत मेहनत की थी अपनी डार्क साइड पे पहुंचने के लिए. और उन एक्टर्स के साथ, हॉलीवुड फिल्म्स के साथ अगर हमारी फिल्म का नाम जुड़ रहा है और मेरा नाम उन एक्टर के साथ जुड़ रहा है तो मुझे बहुत खुशी हुई. बट ऐसी बात नहीं है, वो नहीं.
सभी लोग humble हैं यहाँ पर. Okay, alright. The beauty of a film is that at the end of the day, once a person enters the cinema hall, if a film can totally absorb you, then it's a film that matters. Nothing else matters. And that is exactly what is happening with Mardani 2. People are literally clapping when you are just beating the hell out of him in the climax.
So I think that's like the collective anger that I spoke to you also during the pre-release interview, that I think as a nation we've suffered that anger after the Nirbhaya case. We've all felt all kinds of emotions, sadness, frustration, anger. And I think somewhere when they are seeing Shivaji Roy beat up Sunny's character, somewhere I think everybody is feeling that they are one of them, that they are one of Shivani. And like Shivani, they are also feeling empowered that they also want to do the same kind of thing to the perpetrator of the same crime. Because rape as a crime in our country has just taken a different meaning altogether. So I think collectively, I think when people react to a scene like that, where they are clapping at something like that, which is a woman taking the belt and hitting, I think that is what every woman is feeling from inside her. Right from a grandmother to a young girl, to a mother. I think everybody's feeling that. And also actually one more thing, there are a lot of boys who have felt the same, that they also want to take the belt and they want to pelt up that guy. So it's not only I think women, it's also the men who have, a lot of them, because like my niece who is 13 years old, a lot of her friends have watched the film, boys and girls, and she was actually telling me that the boys in her class were cheering when I was hitting with the belt, and they were like, I wish even I had the belt like Rani Didi, and even I would have done the same.
Even I felt the same. नहीं seriously, मैंने ही वो कैरेक्टर किया है, मैं मार खा रहा हूँ बट मैं खुश हो रहा था, मारो मैं मारो, कहीं तो ऐसा लगा रानी मैम मारो, रानी मैम उसे मारो.
Our society is deeply patriarchal.
Yes.
That is reflecting even in the way Rajesh Sharma interviews you and the sort of questions that he has. As a woman, especially someone who's playing a woman cop, for example, it's a tough life.
Right.
It is tough to just face those questions, and I think maybe the effort has to be double than maybe a man, for example, that way. But do you think that with such films coming in, and they're highlighting the right notes that are important for the profession, not merely glamorizing it the way a lot of other films do you think that it's something that can possibly make a difference?
I think so, because when we say that we take stories from society and we mirror image a kind of story and we put it in our films. Similarly, sometimes there are some films, I would not say all, some films that kind of touch a chord with you in such a way that it does inspire you, it does make you want to change things. And I think Mardani's message is, I think, towards the fact that the change is very, very visible. So from theatres, when you see women coming out seeing Mardani, the fact that they're saying that we are also feeling empowered, we are also feeling angry, and we are also wanting to take the belt and hit, that itself shows that there is a change. When you see men coming out of the theatre and they talk about facts that yes, we need to respect women the way they want to be respected, not in the way that they think that women should be respected, because there could be a dichotomy in the way men think. So the fact that you're putting a woman's, I would say, feelings across, that this is the way we want to be respected, and the fact that the men are understanding it, I think that's also a very big thing in a society which has always suffered from the fact that there are some men who have weird kind of upbringings and a weird imaging of how a woman should be or how they should be respected.
The misogyny and the patriarchy is so ingrained that men many a times they don't realize that what they are saying or doing, is not cool, is not right.
Yes.
Which is reflective in Rajesh Sharma's questions.
The starting points of while I was writing it, that a same job, that a man and a woman with the correct same qualifications, a woman would have to try doubly hard in the same position. That was one of the starting points while I was writing the film. While I was researching it, I was meeting women IPS officers and the experiences that they shared. We have to do double because we have to work at home. We have to, face a family in a certain way raise children. Because even though we are so educated, still the patriarchy is so deep rooted that even in the most educated of families also, there are certain responsibilities that are still stuck with the women of the house. So I think for me, when I was hearing their stories that really such educated women का अगर आज ये हाल है, तो फिर मतलब हम क्या कह रहे हैं कि बाकी के फिर जो जनता है हमारी उनके साथ क्या होता होगा. So that really moved me कि यार ये आना ही चाहिए आपकी कहानी में. If you have seen that is one of the important tracks that is there throughout the film, of course, apart from Sunny's character, which is there. This is also a very important thread that is there.
No, definitely. I think that's very crucial as well. I think it's very crucial to have a villain like Sunny to just make a point that much more stronger.
Absolutely.
Your first film, were you not scared? You are paired opposite, in a way, the legend Rani Mukherjee.
Obviously. I was under pressure, obviously. Pressure, जैसे कि मैंने कहा अभी कुछ टाइम पहले, कि प्रेशर सिर्फ मुझे एक चीज़ का था, वो था क्वालिटी ऑफ परफॉर्मेंस. और स्पेशली हाँ, इन चीज़ों का भी था कि आप किन के साथ काम कर रहे हैं. आप मर्दानी 2 में काम कर रहे हैं, रानी मैम के साथ काम कर रहे हैं, उस क्वालिटी को क्या तुम मैच कर सकते हो. कैमरा फेसिंग वगैरह तो मैंने देख लिया था, तो मुझे उस चीज़ का डर नहीं था, बस क्वालिटी का टेंशन था. सारी चीज़ों के लिए मुझे प्रिपेयर किया गया था. ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं सारी चीज़ों को सीख के आया था. शायद मुझे ऐसा लगता है
प्रिपेयर किया गया था.
वर्कशॉप्स हुए. पहले तो स्क्रिप्ट पे मैंने काम करना शुरू किया. गोपी सर ने कहा था कि तू स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ और सारी चीज़ें नोट डाउन करके तेरे कैरेक्टर में क्या क्या चीज़ें हो सकती है. गोपी सर ने मुझे खुला छोड़ दिया कि तू अपने आप को जैसा परफॉर्म करना चाहता है वैसे कर, अगर कुछ गलती हुई तो मैं तुझे रोकूंगा। सर ने मुझे कहा था तू खुल जा। फिर वर्कशॉप्स काफ़ी हुए जिसमें मैं अगर अपने मेथड के बारे में बात करूं तो मैंने अपने आप को काफ़ी दिनों तक अपने एक रूम में मैं रोज़ 5-6 घंटे अपने आप को बंद करता था, अपने सामने एक चेयर पे किसी पर्सन को इमेजिन करके उस पर सारा गुस्सा निकालता था। उस टाइम पे मैं एक दिन रोने लगा कि क्यों मैं ये क्या कर रहा हूँ। तो बहुत एक फाइट हो गई थी विशाल और सनी के बीच में। विशाल को वहाँ जाना था बट नहीं जा पा रहा था, सनी को उसे खींचना था बट वो उस डार्कनेस में विशाल जा नहीं पा रहा था। ऐसी काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें हुई। अंडर वाटर सीक्वेंस के लिए प्रैक्टिस हुई। मैं अपने कैरेक्टर के कॉस्ट्यूम में रहता था 4-5 महीने तक। मैं मेरठ गया था, स्पेशली मेरठ गया था मैं 3-4 दिन तक, वहीं पे रहा 3 दिन तक और वहाँ पे बिना नहाए मैं रुका। वहाँ पे कुछ गंदगी में रहता था ताकि नेगेटिव वाइब क्रिएट कर सकूं, क्योंकि ऑडिशन में ही शानू मैम ने कहा था,
मुझे बताया नहीं कि ये मेरे साथ काम कर रहा था बिना नहाए।
नहीं मैं नहाता नहीं, वो 3 दिन नहीं नहाया, बाकी मैं अपने बॉडी पे सोप नहीं लगाता।
ये सबसे बड़ा डरावनी चीज जो मुझे अभी पता लगी है कि ऐसा क्यों होता था कि जब तू आता था आसपास तभी कुछ एक फीलिंग होती थी।
नहीं मैं शानू मैम ने ऑडिशन में ही कहा था कि हम
नहाओ मत।
नहीं उन्होंने कहा था कि इस कैरेक्टर से एक नेगेटिव
जितना नहीं नहाओगे उतना बेटर होगा।
एक नेगेटिव वाइब आनी चाहिए, नेगेटिव फीलिंग आनी चाहिए, ना कि हमें अपने परफॉर्मेंस से और सिर्फ लाइन से
हाइजीन मेंटेन करो भाई। बी हाइजीनिक सबसे बड़ा मैसेज। जितने बार नहाओगे उतना बेटर होगा।
Now, there is this debate as well that has been triggered that if he's old enough to carry out a heinous crime like rape, he's old enough to be punished equally harshly. You think that needs to be taken up more seriously as well?
Absolutely.
डिस्कशन तो होना चाहिए।
नहीं गोपी, more than discussion, it has to be done.
अब तक तो डिस्कशन भी नहीं हो रहा था।
Correct, yeah.
मतलब अब तो ऐसे ही छूट रहे थे वो।
हाँ, मेरे ख्याल से रेप ऐसी चीज है कि अगर वो बंदा रेप कर सकता है तो उसे पनिश क्यों नहीं कर सकते? अगर वो किसी की जान ले सकता है, अगर किसी के साथ ऐसा हरकत कर सकता है तो वो बड़ा हो चुका है। मतलब एज इज जस्ट अ नंबर।
Exactly. Because many times they can fake it.
If you're capable of such a heinous crime, if you've turned into a monster,
right,
then I'm sure you need to be punished for that.
You have to face the consequences.
Absolutely. You have to face the consequence. You have no right.
I think today the court has taken cognizance of the verdict in Nirbhaya's case, and there was a mercy petition and that has been rejected. But the fact is that,
thank God,
after obviously, but the fact is that it has been delayed. The execution has been delayed for such a long time. That in itself is maybe not a good precedent, because if it can be executed more swiftly once the judicial process has been, first of all, I think that the fast track courts should be there. Yes. And once the judicial process takes place, it should be, because that is the only way to just instill fear.
Absolutely. Yes.
If the right process is
and also followed. A way of redemption for the family who has lost
her
innocent soul.
Mom is crying today as well. Nirbhaya's mom is still
absolutely, because you can't bring back your child back. Yeah. And somewhere, of course, everybody has to take notice of this. And I'm sure films like Mardani and more films which are based on this subject should come forward, and more conversations and discussions should start. And the swiftness in punishment has to happen soon. That has to be the new way of moving forward in our country, especially because of what is happening.
Yeah.
Like if after these kind of cases had completely stopped, then it would be a different discussion. But the fact that it hasn't stopped and it has increased.
Yeah. Increased, yeah.
There has to be. How do you explain a person who does this kind of crime to a 3-year-old, to a 6-year-old, to a 10-year-old?
Yeah.
There is no explanation, and the only thing that can happen here is swift punishment, and punishment that instills fear in others who will not think, forget doing, they will not think about it.
Our system took this into cognizance and made certain laws for the swift justice of it.
Yes, absolutely.
I think we need that.
Yeah. Okay, so as you mentioned in the beginning itself, so one very important part of the film is that even though the film deals with the rape element, but there is no element of titillation at all in the film, because what we used to see in 80s in our movies was that rape was a like a tool for titillation and bringing in the audiences. But that is something that you've been very conscious about, the fact that it should be just instilling an element of horror instead of any sort of titillation. How
It was a
important
very,
was that for
very
you?
conscious decision that, as I told you in the beginning, that titillation तो बहुत दूर की बात है. It shouldn't be any kind of cheapness, any kind of just sensationalism also.
Exploitation, absolutely.
No exploitation whatsoever, because at the outset we here are speaking about respecting women.
Yeah.
And if you're making a film about respecting women, we need to see to it that that is a message that is there each and every frame of our film.
Yeah.
We spoke about the violence because that is the violence that has happened. And
It's
the
the fact.
goriness and the, because it is important to at least let the audience
Gopi,
for
also
a-
truth is worst. What is
Exactly.
actually happening, what you've shown in our film is
Yes.
actually
just a glimpse
of
just so that you are aware of the extent of the violence that the few women who have gone through this kind of violence that
Trauma.
they have gone through. So while that was just that depiction, baki each and every frame should give the message that it is about respecting women, and that we tried in the pitch of the performance also. Even apart from Sunny, the other characters, their bias, their upbringing, their conveying, but within their limit of decency.
Right. Okay. Now, so Rani, we've seen in many of your films that you've played strong women characters. Women characters who are not just raising a jhanda or anything of that sort, but they are proving a point through their actions and their resilience and their strength. Be it Black, be it Mardani, be it Hichki, be it Mardani 2, and several more. How important is it for you to just convey certain things through the actions rather than just making loud statements? And
I think action always speaks louder than words.
Ji.
I think that has some wise person has written that and gone, which is really really important even in today's day and age, because as we say बातचीत तो होते रहेगी, discussions होते रहेंगे, लेकिन जो करना है, जो हमारा जो हम बोलते ना कर्म, वो सबसे important है. हम क्या कर रहे हैं?
That will stay behind.
Absolutely, because and that speaks volumes. Like it's like when you're seeing something happen, like in terms of this, as you say, the Nirbhaya case verdict, the fact that the Supreme Court has passed this judgment with the actions is speaking bigger volumes than the fact that there would be yes, we are thinking about doing something like that
Ji.
or talking about it. The fact that it is happening is what is the action that has happened. So the action is more louder than the discussions. That has always been the most important thing.
Right, because I think the discussions can be can just lose their impact in a few maybe days or months.
Yes.
But such movies, I think Black will continue to live on.
Yeah.
Yes,
It is having maybe a more relevance now than maybe what it had at that point of time.
probably.
And similarly for say Hichki and other films as well. And it's also like a hat trick of sorts for you because 3 films have done back to back. So are you going to fulfill the promise to your fans that you'll be more regular in giving?
Yes, I hope so. And I hope that there are writers and directors like Gopi who come forward with more interesting scripts
Right.
and more interesting subjects and more challenging characters for me to play. And I'm more than happy to be part of the films and make my fans happy, which I always say they are the most important people in my life. And the fact that I'm part of their family, they are also in a way part of my family.
Absolutely.
So yes, so my responsibility towards them is also equally as much as my responsibility to my child or to my family.
What is more important for you? The box office success of a film or the fact that it continues to live on for a sizable number of time? What is more important?
I think both are hand in glove, because till you don't have box office, you don't understand how many people it has impacted.
Ji.
Because if there are people who are going to buy your ticket and go see the film, you understand immediately that it has made an impact to that many people. And the fact that they're going to live on, it will live on only if people see it.
Right.
If people don't see it, I don't see how it can, live on. So it's very important that people go and watch your film, and the only way to understand the value of it is when you get the box office figures.
Sure. What are you doing next, Gopi?
यार ये तो ठीक से अच्छे से निकल जाए.
ये तो अभी निकल चुकी है.
Just enjoying
अभी
each
just-
and every
Even
day.
weekdays में if a movie is doing well, that means कि अब तो
Absolutely.
हाँ.
So
weekdays
that's
में
why I'm
अच्छे से.
enjoying
And
each and
that
every day
says
of it.
Bollywood Hangama.
नहीं, but I think everyone is saying. That is something that everyone is saying.
नहीं, of course, it's been received really well. It received a lot of love. तो अभी शायद कुछ लाइट करूँगा इसके बाद.
What about you? What sort of offers are coming your way?
वेटिंग फॉर समथिंग गुड, और अभी तो इसी चीज़ को एंजॉय कर रहा हूँ. कहाँ 3-4 दिन ही हुए हैं, और जो प्यार मिल रहा है उसे एक्सेप्ट कर रहा हूँ. नेक्स्ट क्या होगा फिलहाल कुछ पता नहीं है, बट आई होप मैं जो खुद में कला नहीं देख पा रहा हूँ वो हमारे कास्टिंग डायरेक्टर्स जो भी प्रोड्यूसर है वो देखें, और मुझ में से कुछ अच्छी चीज़ निकाल सके तो निकालें. और कुछ अलग, ऑब्वियसली हर बार कुछ ऐसा करना चाहूँगा कि जो लोगों को पसंद आए, और इंटेंस हो तो शायद ज़्यादा होगा, क्योंकि अच्छा होगा. क्योंकि अभी जिस कैरेक्टर में और जिस चीज़ में मुझे पसंद किया गया है, और कुछ समय के लिए लोग मुझे प्यार देते रहे, इसलिए शायद वो ठीक रहेगा, मुझे ऐसा लगता है. लेट्स सी, बाकी तो सारी टीम डिसाइड करेगी. मैं अभी बहुत नया हूँ और इतना ज़्यादा एक्सपीरियंस नहीं हूँ कि मैं इस चीज़ का डिसीजन ले सकूँ.
And would you be open to OTT platforms? Would you like to do some like a web series as well?
Let's see. I seriously don't know मैं आगे क्या करूँगा, but yes, I would like to do it. Obviously, why not?
All right. So thank you very much, Rani. Thank you very much.
Thank you,
Gopi and
Thank you,
Vishal, and
sir.
congratulations
Thank
for
you.
the success. And we hope that it continues doing great business at the box office. Thank you very much.
Fingers crossed.
That's all we have from Bollywood Hungama. Keep on watching.
This is Rani Mukherjee,
I'm Gopi Putran.
And this is Vishal Naresh Preeti Jetwa.
and you're watching me on Bollywood Hangama.